One of the most common issues that organic affiliate marketers face is that they feel they're in a saturated marketplace. They just don't know how to stand out amongst all the competition. Now, before I dive into this, just remember this is a multi-billion-dollar marketplace and there is plenty of money to go around. So don't get caught into a negative mindset where you think you just don't have what it takes, or you can't compete, or there is simply not enough money for everybody. That is not the case. Now, this graphic I made should clarify a lot of this for you. So if you feel like you're in a saturated marketplace and just not seeing results, then you could be working in a red ocean. Now, this means you are doing the exact same thing as everybody else. Your content is just not standing out because it gets lost amongst every other type of similar content. So you need to change your strategy so you're working in a blue ocean, and this means you are working with a lot less competition. Now, this is a problem that I had to deal with when I started out in affiliate marketing 23 years ago. You see, back then I was promoting online casinos, which, as you can imagine, is a very competitive industry. So when you're promoting online casinos, just adding banners and trying to get web pages ranked on Google was not going to be enough. And like it or not, I was treading water in a red ocean, so I needed to take some action. I just wasn't progressing at all. So what I did was firstly give away a free ebook on the best systems for all the popular casino games. There's a PDF book with my affiliate links inside. But I went a step further. I sourced some vouchers, and one voucher provided a 2-night, 3-day vacation and a choice of multiple US destinations, including Reno and Las Vegas. So there was a casino connection. Now, this voucher was for 2 people who only had to pay the hotel taxes, but it didn't end there. I also included $500 of benefits so they could spend this $500 during their vacation. And this included free chips and discounted meals, etc. So as you can imagine, this was a real game changer, and it transferred me into my own blue ocean, from the red ocean into a blue ocean where I had very little competition. I was doing things differently. And I hope this is clearly outlined in the graphic with the red ocean on the top, because so many fish hooks trying to catch very few fish. And when it's like this, nobody wins. So when you see the blue ocean, you stand out, and catching a fish is so much easier. So how do you create your blue ocean in your marketplace? Fantastic question. You just got to do things differently. Now, this could be changing up your content to focus on a different angle than everybody else. Maybe offering free bonuses, lead magnets, anything like that on top of the products that you offer. Look for free private label rights products that you can offer as a free gift. Absolutely anything. You just need to do things differently to create your blue ocean. Same marketplace, but with less competition. Just change up your content. Just try and stand out. Offer free training or bonuses, whatever you can offer. This is a very powerful concept where you create a whole new marketplace for yourself. Russell Brunson created his blue ocean with Clickfunnels. Then came along Groovefunnels, who also created their blue ocean so they can compete. Groovefunnels was cheaper, offered pre-plans with no credit card required. Just some of the differences that attracted a brand new customer base. So you can see how someone has competed in a very saturated marketplace just by doing things differently, simply by creating their own blue ocean. I hope you got something from this quick training today about red ocean and blue ocean. And if you're in a saturated marketplace, don't worry, don't give in. You just got to do things differently and transfer yourself from that red ocean into your blue ocean. Just have a think of what all the different things that you could do with your content. Have a look at your core offer and speak to them. Maybe they can offer you some bonuses, some extra bonuses that nobody else is offering. So you're unique. And that's how you create your own blue ocean, your own marketplace just for you. Nobody's doing what you're doing. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and of course subscribe for more Facebook organic affiliate marketing content. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Facebook organic affiliate marketing, I do have a free masterclass that will teach you how to reach the $10,000 a month income target by getting 500% more leads. And the link for this free masterclass is in the description below. Anyway, my name is Mark Anthony. Thank you again for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.